I have been to 3 cities now. I've been to Kisumu, where I visited several slums, and yesterday I was at Kariandutu, and today I'm here in Thika, in Nyeri. And what I wanted to confirm, which I'm very glad to say I have confirmed, is that the correct child, justice has been done to the correct child. The needy child has been identified. In my usual manner, I usually don't trust, that's me, I don't trust people, so I wanted to come and do a physical audit. And you have been with me here this morning. I am extremely happy that the 6 or 7 children that I've visited this morning are very needy. And that I know that about 35 beneficiaries are from this area. I've also been told by your leaders that there are many more. We are not machines, and we are going to look at the concept and to ensure that only the children, Kenyan children who need to be assisted, are assisted. % transition shall be achieved because, as you remember, secondary school education is already free for day scholars. And the majority of the children go to those day scholars. The concept of this scholarship was to ensure that the very best of the best are catered for. So 100% transition was achieved last year. We are just going to be sure that it is achieved again this year.